Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking to upgrade your workshop? A router table is an essential tool that can take your projects to the next level. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 router tables on the market, each with its unique features and benefits. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box for more information on each product. So let's dive in and find the perfect router table for your workshop. Let's get started. Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1181 Benchtop Router Table is a versatile and durable tool designed for woodworking and routing. Its large aluminum top offers an extended work surface, while its pre-drilled aluminum mounting plate is compatible with a variety of routers and allows for above-table height adjustment. The extra-tall aluminum fence features adjustable faceplates and featherboards for added precision and versatility. This router table includes an accessory slot that accepts featherboards and optional accessories like a miter gauge, and a storage pocket for router accessories. The dedicated dust collection port fits standard 2 1/2-inch vacuum hoses for debris-free operation and a cleaner work area. The adjustable featherboards attach to the fence and table, providing additional guidance and kickback protection. The built-in cord wrap offers convenient storage and portability. Finally, this router table comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year limited warranty, and a 1-year service protection plan, making it a reliable and versatile addition to any woodworking shop. Skillless RT1039 Portable Router Table. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient portable router table for routing and woodworking projects, the Skillless RT1039 Portable Router Table is for you. This all-inclusive router table offers convenient above-table adjustment for easy access to router bits. The integrated bit storage features a double-door, quick latch case for protecting and organizing router bits. The router tool provides precise routing with a flat-laying aluminum miter gauge slot, aluminum mounting plate, and 2 adjustable featherboards for additional guidance and kickback protection. The tall 16-inch aluminum fence measures 24 inches wide and can handle tall stock with ease, while adjustable MBF faceplates and a starter pin and guard provide smooth operation with taller workpieces. The router clamp allows easy access to tools attached underneath the table. This router table comes with a 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. With the Skillless RT1039 Portable Router Table, you can achieve accurate, efficient routing in your woodworking projects. Bosch RA1141 Jobsite Router Table. The Bosch RA1141 Jobsite Router Table is a portable and convenient option for woodworking projects. Its folding legs and compact design make it easy to set up and store, while the EasyClick router mounting system allows for quick and effortless bit changes. The laminated MBF top provides a smooth and precise cutting surface, while the adjustable faceplates offer additional support. The tall fence and dual featherboards help guide stock across the table for added control, and the bistro height gauge provides enhanced cut precision. The onboard storage is perfect for keeping router bits and spare parts organized and easily accessible. This pre-assembled router table requires no assembly, and the starter pin and guard make routing curved workpieces easier to control. It comes with a limited 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Taurus 1045 Precision Router Table. The Taurus 1045 Precision Router Table offers superior performance with its innovative features. The 24 x 32 inches router tabletop includes a router insert plate with 3 molded level lock, reducing rings to adjust the opening for different router bit sizes. The 36 inches T-square style router table fence features a micro-adjust wheel that allows for precise setups, ensuring accurate cuts every time. The outfeed anchor has been redesigned for more usable table space and easier removal, making it convenient to work with larger materials. The multi-purpose steel stand is adjustable from 31 to 39 inches in height, providing a comfortable working position for all users. The set includes the router tabletop with insert plate, router table fence, and multi-purpose steel stand, allowing you to set up the table right out of the box. Note that the 4-peg casters set is not included. Bosch RA1171 Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1171 Benchtop Router Table provides the perfect combination of versatility, precision, and convenience for any woodworking project. The tall aluminum fence measuring 4 7/8 inch into 25 1/8 inch can handle tall stock with ease and is complete with adjustable MDF faceplates for smoother operation with taller workpieces. For added precision, the router table features a rigid aluminum router mounting plate that stays flat and accurate. 2 adjustable feather boards attached to the fence and router table to provide additional guidance and protection against kickback, making it easy to work with a variety of workpieces. The cabinet-style design of the table features 2 dust collection ports that fit standard 2 and 1/2-inch vacuum hoses to keep your workspace clean. The table comes with a dual outlet switch with a 6-foot power cord for added convenience. It includes a benchtop router table, aluminum router mounting plate, mounting hardware, feather boards, adjustable clear guard, starter pin and guard, and outfeed fence shims. The Bosch RA1171 benchtop router table comes with a limited 1-year warranty. Thanks for watching our video on the best router tables. We hope you found it helpful in your search for the perfect router table for your woodworking needs. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.